Hey guys, we are heading to Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary today. It's about 120 kilometers from Bangalore and just 20 kilometers from Mysore. It's very near to Srirangapatna town. This sanctuary is a paradise for bird watchers as well as nature lovers. It has a beautiful green park where you can spend time with your family. It is open from 9 to 6, so the earlier we go there, the more time we can enjoy in this beautiful place. So we are pretty excited. Let's get going. We are taking Bangalore-Mysore highway. After crossing Srirangapatna, you will notice a circle with the boat Young Island and a lot of bird models. You will have to make a right at this circle. We are going towards KRS Road. After a kilometer on KRS Road, you will have to make a right to go to Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary. We are reaching the forest checkpoint before entering the bird sanctuary. There is an entry fee of 70 per person. Boating camera and parking charges will have to be paid at the next counter. Hey guys, we are entering Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary. It's gonna take us around 2 hours to see the entire sanctuary. We can also take a boat ride, so we're pretty excited. Let's go. Once you enter, there is a huge parking space and there is a small canteen and few food stalls right next to the parking lot because this is the only place you can get some food. Once you enter the main sanctuary, there will not be anything available. We are walking to the ticket counter now. DSLR camera charges were rupees 100. Boating charges was around 50 per person, and we paid for four-wheeler parking 30. They were only accepting cash, so keep some change, guys, and let's get going. There's a small watchtower right after the entrance. Let's go check out the view. Lot of information available. You can see boards about different birds all through the way, so you can even check that out. Now we are heading for boating. Let's go. They had two kinds of boat, one with shade and one without. We got the one without shade, so it was easier for us to capture more photos and videos and enjoyed the view thoroughly. And I think it was good to get some sun as well. It houses a wide variety of birds, lots of migratory birds you can see here on the onset of winter. We were able to spot pelicans, a lot of open-bill storks, spoonbill storks, herons, egret, and ibis. There is also a private boating available here for 1,000 rupees. So if you guys want to spend more time on boating, you guys can avail that option. You can also see a lot of crocodiles here. Our boatman mentioned that there are around 150 crocodiles here. And these birds are coming all the way from Siberia, Central Asia, and Australia to spend their winters here. Around June, these migratory birds will fly away back to their home with their offsprings. You can see in the background the bird sanctuary. This islet was formed after the dam was constructed in 1600s. Salim Ali, the famous ornithologist, convinced Mysore Maharaja after noticing that it's a nesting ground for different species of birds to make this a protected area in 1940. November to Feb is the right time if you want to see the migratory birds here. And also, right after the monsoon, all kinds of birds you can come and visit. Around June, these migratory birds will fly away to their home with their offsprings. Thank you all for watching our video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you all soon on the next video. Bye.